Hi there. My name is Dr. March like the month, and I'm a natural medicine doctor here at Associates of Integrative Medicine. I wanted to talk a little bit about the role of nutrition in survivorship. You know, after you go through the war that is cancer, there's a little bit of an aftermath that happens. And for some people, it's immediately, for some people, it's delayed. And that aftermath, it's really hard to describe, but some of it involves questions like, who am I? What am I doing here? Rethinking friendships, rethinking relationships, dealing with the fatigue, the hormonal roller coaster that can follow after cancer treatment. There's about an immediate 3 months of something like that. Some of you have side effects like peripheral neuropathy, tingling in your fingers and toes, and you're left wondering what's next. I really like to remind you, we're not just waiting till your next scan, right? I think cancer is, if you're lucky enough to keep cancer in the rear view, right? If you're lucky enough to have beaten it, I think we have to ask ourselves, what now? And how can we live on purpose? And that's not quite as poetic as it sounds. A lot of times there's, how do we make it real, right? How do we use things like a cancer-fighting diet and do it even when our husband or our kids don't want to eat the same way as us? How do we really lose this weight for good and forever this time? How do we integrate the fact that maybe for a long time, you were using food as a coping mechanism when things got hard, when you were stressed, or when you were cold even. That work is the work after cancer care. And that's what I do as a nutrition coach after. I use, of course, blood markers to guide me, to tell me where you're at, what deficiencies that you have. But my job is to also guide you through what's hard, figuring out what types of foods make you feel good. And part of this requires looking at your ancestry. For example, if you're Italian, I really take into account more Mediterranean type recommendations while maintaining your protein content, etc. So if you're interested in working with me, call me at 248-798-2942 or visit our website at aimnatural.com. Until I talk to you, be well.